to this training video. Thank you so much, Abdi, for your question. And so today I'll just be showing you how to perform or how to implement cascading selects when you are using XLSForm. So Abdi, one of the first things that I saw that you need to also understand is that cascading selects is all about hierarchies. And so whenever we'll be implementing anything, especially from the syntax on the choice filter up to how we are going to format our choices on the choices sheet, it should be in a hierarchical order, as in it should be in hierarchy. So you've done a very good job. It is a very good work in progress. I'm really impressed. So just maybe to all I'm going to do is just to make it better, just to improve here and there. So the first thing that I noticed is that okay, this is our region, so I'm assuming that this is a larger administrative unit. Then we have zone, that is the next administrative unit after region. So we've said that it should be about hierarchy. So under your list name here, you should start with the first, with the largest administrative unit. So this is region, then followed by zone, then followed by woreda. So okay, I also see we have facility. That's nice. So when we are implementing cascading selects, we usually recommend that you do not record your like here, this is what is going to be shown to the end user or to the data collector. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just to make sure that under name does not have codes, rather it should just have the names of the administrative areas or whatever you want to put into cascading select the way it is. So whatever you have on label should also be the same with what you have under the name column. So allow me to just I'll just copy everything the way it is, like this. Good. So that is the first task that has been completely done successfully. So good. Now the next thing is you've done a very good, you've introduced the region filters, the column filters. So here I can see we have a region filter, zone filter, and a woreda filter. Very nice. So what I'm going to do is just to improve it a little bit. So okay, under region filter, I've seen we've only selected Oromia. So I'll just check to see whether it's okay. There it is. So I'm hoping that whatever we have under here all fall under the Oromia region. If you also head like this other Sidama region, you'll also just come and list them here. So but for now I think we are working with only one region. So okay, that one has been nicely done under zone. So we move to the next level in the hierarchy, that is woreda. Now we've said that it's all about hierarchies. So under here the system, okay, we've already specified that it should be zone filter, right? So we also need to just tell it where this RC comes from. So I'll just copy one of these and have it there. Okay. So okay, that has been nicely done. So the hierarchy has been implemented under woreda. So okay, I see we have a zone filter here. Good. So So, okay, so far is only one zone, that is RC. Okay, so now you need to be very careful with your spellings, eh? Be very careful with your spellings. So okay, so I can just have that. I'll come and also implement the hierarchy under facility here. Good. So allow me to just quickly go through. Okay, I think that is okay. Okay, lower bellow. Okay, lower bellow. So okay, that is nicely done. So this is how you should format your choices sheet. So as you are going down, you should be able to track that this facility is from the Wareda. This is the Wareda that is located in. Then which where is it found under zone? You also indicate there. Under region, you also need to indicate there. It's all a matter of copy and paste. So it's not that okay. When doing it for the very first time, it's usually time consuming, and you also need to be very keen when you're implementing the hierarchies. So now we come to survey sheet. The first thing here, choice filter. Here I'll just introduce the programmatic way. You should have an underscore there. So notice that it should be choice filter, not just one word the way it had been. Then also under our syntax here under choice filter, we should also observe the hierarchies. So I see here we have region filter for our zone. That was the next level, administrative level. So that one is okay. So under here, I'll come here and just pick it like that. Okay, let me just do a notepad quickly. So there. Okay, I can also pick also this. Now I'm going to introduce the word and. So this will make sure that it only filters to what we have. Okay, it will make sure that both of these conditions are met. So the whatever you have under region should also coincide or match with what you have under zone. So that is why we are putting the and there. So I'll just copy this and have it here, so that good here. Now when I come also here, I'll also pick this. Then I can okay, my notepad. So here I'll also put the word and have it like that, so that at the end of the day this is what I have. Right, so this is how you implement the choice filter. Now all I need to do is to save. Okay, I can maybe save us. That will also work for me. Okay, let me just call it good. So I can maybe just, I'll want to see whether the implementation was successful. So okay, seem not to have internet connectivity. Kindly give me a minute. So the next item that we need to do is just to upload it to our server and just find out whether this Cascading Select have been successfully implemented. So I'm just going to go to my browser and just type, I'm going to use Kobotoolbox platform for this demonstration. So just go to sign up and go under researchers and aid workers and everyone else. Okay, I already have an existing account, so I don't need to create a new one. I'll just click on login. So okay, that's good. So just go to new and select upload an XLSForm. So I have mine. Okay, I'll just drag it here. Good. Okay, I'll maintain everything. These ones are optional, so I'll just click create project. Good. Now I'm not going to deploy it. I'm just only interested in previewing whether my form is doing what it's supposed to do. So I'll click on preview. Okay. Good. It's working. So good. So I'm going to pre-test it. We usually recommend that before you even deploy your data collection tool, it's always good to pre-test and make sure that all your escape logics, all your cascading selects, that are working. They are supposed to do what they are supposed to do. So just go there with Ethiopia for region. It's a select question. So okay, I'll go first with Oromia. So okay, very good. It's there. It's working. So RC, it's working. Good. Health facility. Good. Let me change this. Maybe something like KG Town. You can notice that once I change this, it keeps updating, so that it only lists what is supposed to be. So it's only listing the health facilities that are found within each respective woreda. I don't know if that is a spelling. So that is it. Now let us go back to region. Now we only implemented for Oromio, and that is why if you select these other ones, it will tell you that there's nothing here to be listed, right? So let me also try this one. Still the same thing. So if you wanted to list all these others, you'll just go back to XLSForm and add that particular list, just like the way you did for the other one. So just take it back to Oromia. I should be able to see. Yes. Good. Good. So and that was it. So thank you so much, Abdi, for your question. See you later.